So case studies are the most powerful asset you have, if not the, one of the most powerful, or if not the most powerful. So there's a fine line between showing it as social proof and actually being, obnoxiously bragging about it. Most SaaS founders, it's very easy for a SaaS founder to actually believe in their product so much that they cross that line and start writing case studies that sounds like an ego trip for their own software, and this actually repels buyers. It turns them off, and just they bounce from your landing page, and they dump. If you dump an entire 2,000 word essay on your homepage, nobody's gonna read it. That's also like a negative point on your landing page. So today I'm going to show you some very simple tips to actually make your case studies highly effective on your landing page and on your thank you page, which is after the prospect books a call. You'll learn how to mention your results like humbly, and exactly how to split your case study between your landing page and your thank you page for maximum conversions. So the psychology here is basically, the hero shift. It's like the Yoda versus the Luke Skywalker. The reason your case study sounds like bragging is because you made your software the hero. Instead, you want to make sure that you're pointing out that this company outsmarted their competition using your product in these many days, and so on. So you want the case study to be a guide instead of a glory, instead of an ego trip. So you need to say something like, we helped this XYZ corporation save 50K in 90 days by using our automated XYZ for their company, and so on. So you're actually praising your former client or your current client's decision to use your AI tool or use your SaaS without becoming like a cringe bragging product, and without actually losing your new prospects' trust. This is how you instead of making your software the hero, you make your client, your former client or your case study client, the hero of the story. Then we come to the landing page. So this answers the question about where do you put your case study tease. On your landing page, you do not just post the full story. Visitors are right now scanning your page, so if they're landing on your landing page from your ad or from a cold email, they will not read the entire 2,000 words case study if you have it. They don't have the time, and they do not have enough interest right now. So you want to only tease them. So the tease is three things: the logo of the company, the metric of the company that you improved, or like a large metric of 50K saved in 90 days, something like that, and like a 1 or 2 sentence quote. So this is like the hook, the tease. The goal of this case study landing page is to not explain how you did what you did, but the goal is to actually let the prospect wonder about, okay, this corporation, this company got that result, I want that result as well. This is how you get a booked call, a booked demo, by teasing your case study. And if the prospect actually wants to read the full thing, they can click on that case study and go to that page, and you'll have a CTA on that page as well, so that they can easily navigate to booking a call with you. This is how you tease it on your landing page. The next thing is like if you've already successfully built a great converting landing page and you have already successfully made a prospect book a call with you, then you need to use the thank you page as a buffer. So if the sales call is like 3 days away, you want that thank you page, or you send a few nurture emails after a prospect books a call. You send a few emails with case studies, and you actually share the full story. So you share the mechanism, you share how you improved that business's metrics, and so on. So you want to actually improve their intent. You want to actually improve the show up rate of that prospect. You want to break down the problem, agitation, solution in that email or on that thank you page. They will read all of that because they have actually booked a call now, so they are interested. And they will actually read all of your implementation, your tech specs if you want it, your workflows, all of that. They will actually use it as emotional relief to make sure that they actually made a good decision when booking a call with you. So this is like a extremely good way to increase your show up rates. People who have already booked a call will very much appreciate this, and they will actually be pre-sold. You will not need to spend like the first 10-15 minutes of your sales call just trying to convince them to understand what your product does. They already know it. They already are appreciative of the case studies or the YouTube videos that you showed, and they will already have pre-sold themselves on your solution, on your product. So this is like the small video that I wanted to make on how to use your case studies in a way that doesn't sound cringe or like bragging. So just stop treating your case studies like an essay or like a static PDF. Treat them like a funnel. Everything is a funnel in marketing, and in 2026 you have to be very smart about it, and you can use AI to do that. I make a bunch of videos on that, on using AI in different parts of the funnel. It actually does the job better than most humans. You only need to edit certain parts so that it's actually up to date about how your prospect thinks and behaves on the internet. So hope this was helpful, and if you want me and my team to actually come into your business, map out, right, and build your entire SaaS funnel or your entire B2B funnel for your agency or SaaS product, just click the first link in the description, and we'll get you on a free strategy call with me, and we'll map out the entire funnel for you in that call itself. And the most that we can get out of that call is like a complete plan to either let us build it for you, and we actually build and deliver it in less than a week. And if you want to do it yourself, you can do that as well, and you'll have the full plan for free on the call. So yeah, see you there if you want, and let's talk in the next video. Bye.